All right, so the next step to get these things in, we're going to leave that one like that. We're going to leave this one like this. We're just going to get them in because we don't know if we're going to use them. We could go headers. We could go with these. We're going to put these in, but the thing I had to do was find some nuts because this truck came in pieces, as y'all know. These things were in the back. I didn't have any nuts for them, and ran through my nut and washer collection here and found 6 nuts and washers. And the good thing is they're going to fit, and they're going to go on. They're going to hold good enough for what we're doing. I did look up on O'Reilly's today. Ooh, that one's a little tight.
Yeah,
yeah, we're going to chase the threads real quick. Looked up on O'Reilly's, and these things here are $11 a piece. These ones are welded in place with rust, so I don't want to mess with them. We're gonna go with it. These ones go on. This one's got a little bit of tightness. Those ones are good, and so that's what we're gonna do. Connor cleaned up all the 8 bolts that we need. 2, 4, 6, 12 bolts that we needed to get these in there, and we're just going to use the regular gaskets that we had and these and this stuff and get them on there so that we can move forward with playing with this brand new exhaust that we have. And I'll finish this off over here. Got this big old box from LMC Truck. I already have a video up on that, kind of showing that. And there it is right there with all the mufflers and pipes. So we're going to set to getting these things put in and see how it all looks up. And should all work out just fine. We'll see. All right.
You already got these two?
I just tightened that a little bit. Tighten up the one under there. Yeah. Just putting on the passenger side exhaust manifold. That should be good. Then put the same amount of effort onto that one. Okay, you got the rest like that? All those ones you don't have to worry about the threading too much because there's plenty of it.
Oh yeah.
Those 2 shorter ones are a little different.
Yeah. Yeah, you're gonna have to give this one a shot.
All right.
Cause I think it's. Yeah, something with that back bolt.
Something with that back bolt.
Yeah, the one that's in front of the grounding wire one.
All right, while I'm doing that, you want to grab that box there and get us 2 more washers like this.
Yeah. Yeah, it's just the 2 in the back.
Yeah. Oh, you're right. It's just slipping right off there.
That's what I'm saying.
All right, the very back one's good. That one we might need to go metric on.
Yeah, because it's a bit weird now that it's the rust.
I'm going to say 14 millimeter. Said Tony wanted to call. All right. Where's that other one? Right in there.
Oh, it's just moving around on you.
Yeah, it's grabbing, but maybe it ain't grabbing. I don't know. That one's grabbing. I think with that washer, I think it's a little bit
big.
fat. Oh, I should have this other one on there. This one will work. Just need to be a little longer. And I didn't take it off, so I couldn't label them. Not my fault.
Yeah, no, we didn't remove them.
I need to get this in there, which I've got something we're going to do with that one for now.
Special one? Oh, it's a stud, that's right.
We're going to use a stud because we got this bracket that comes off there.
That's an all thread stud.
Yep. We can put a nut on there and tighten it up with no problem. Okay, go ahead and tighten the middle two, then the back ones, then the front ones. I'll get us a nut for that. Make sure we're going to get the right size. There we go. Nothing like having a bunch of extra nuts and stuff. Make life easy. Connor just likes getting right in there.
It's a lot easier to reach them. Against the bracket. I'm putting it on like a half a twist and it just like stops. But I think it's because it's bumping up against the bracket's bottom.
Oh yeah, it is.
Okay. As long as it's not cross thread thing, I can just drive it the rest.
I think that's okay. This is our setup here. We got 2 bolts, or 2 nuts on that stud. This thing's pretty tight from the bottom pieces, so.
Oh yeah.
And that's about a 300-pound torque right there. With a, 10-inch ratchet, a 10-inch wrench. They suck up a lot of space. So there's our bracket. Probably get you some light here. Our exhaust is on. Everything's hooked back up. Belt's tight. It's good to go. This side's done. We're ready from exhaust. I need to get a. We've got that one, that seal, but I got to get this one. See what time it is here. 4:45.
Yeah, we're at 5:15.
Yeah, we only got about a half hour. So we'll see if there's something else we can do. Maybe start setting this side. I just got to go to the car and get that. Well, I need that in the car to verify it's the right size over there. Yeah. So I can't really take that and put it in this thing yet. I did find out though that this piece here should have a hose going to this, because it goes to the heater core out and then back, But if we want to loop it, we would go from here to here to the heater core. And I don't even know where the hell that is. Where is the heater core in this thing? Oh, here it is, way back here. So we would need to come with a hose from here around and from here to here. So we're going to leave those capped and not do that, because we're going to want heat here in Texas about 2 months out of the year. Which was yesterday before an 80-degree day. Actually, after an 80-degree day, it turned to 50. Yep. So we want to make sure we have heat, because I don't like driving cars without heat. I did that in Mass, and it sucked. But so anyway, that's we're doing pretty good. Well, next we're going to be putting in some the long pipes for the truck.
Yeah.
So we'll figure out something else to do with the rest of this half hour, but that's about it. We did find something else to do, the dipstick. So Connor's in there trying to fish that baby down there. It's probably got to come way to the left to the back of the truck before it'll slide in. Somewhere around there.
Feels like up.
There it goes. And then turn it down, because it's got to miss the block. Turn it towards me.
Trying, but
there you go. Then just wiggle it on in.
No room.
Yeah, there is. It'll go.
Oh, there we go.
All right. And then here's our...
Yep, I see where it goes.
Here's our bolt for that. I think that's a 1/2 inch.
Oh, first thing I gotta do is...
get to it.
Exactly.
Because we want to check the oil in this, you know, probably once every time we drive it for a while.
Every once in a while.
But heck, we're getting close to actually taking this for a little mini road test.
Oh, yeah.
Because it's insured and everything, so
Rich.
should be 1/2 inch. Because with actual exhaust pipes on it, we're not going to cause a lot of attention.
Yeah, no, it'll sound like a normal car.
Yeah, it'll sound just like the 69. Probably quieter because the mufflers are brand new. That's probably good.
Yeah. All right.
So that was an easy find of something to do. Stick this back in there. I can't see with these glasses on, really. There we go. Oil's good, clean. Everything looks good there. We have successfully swapped the headers for manifolds, and everything looks good.
Yeah.
It is ready to go to town, almost ready to go to town.
Oh yeah.
Oh, let's look under here just to see how we're doing on the water. And that one little drip was still there, so I think that came off the chassis.
Yeah, because there's no more
I
pools.
think unless
There's so much dust.
yeah, it's water, but that probably came off that stupid rail that holds water right there.
Well, the question is, we still have plenty of water in here.
Oh, it didn't go anywhere. Whatever was in there when we left it. Oh yeah, I can see it. That's good.
So we're not losing anything.
Alrighty, we're heading out to. Wife and I are heading out to get some dinner, but Connor's going to go to work. Yep. And I don't know, there might be something else we do today. Oh, we could probably put in the plugs.
Oh yeah, we're finally at that point.
Yeah, we could.
This way you went from one